Welcome to my Ninja BN301 review. The Ninja Nutri Blender Plus is known for its versatility and ability to take on everything from frozen drinks to sauces with ease. Equipped with a 900 peak watt motor, the Ninja Nutri Blender Plus can power through tough ingredients, making it perfect for nutrient-packed smoothies. The Pro Extractor blades ensure that fruits and vegetables are fully broken down, unlocking their full potential. You can blend directly in one of the 20-ounce to-go cups, making it convenient to enjoy your creations on the move. The heart of this Ninja blender is the 900 peak watt motor base. This powerful engine tackles everything inside the cup, making it perfect for blending your favorite smoothies, frozen drinks, and sauces with ease. You won't struggle with tough ingredients, ensuring smooth and consistent results every time. This blender uses Pro Extractor blades designed to crush ice and break down whole fruits and vegetables effortlessly. It's fantastic for creating nutrient-packed extractions, so you get the full benefit of your ingredients. Whether you're making a morning smoothie or a post-workout shake, these blades are up to the task. Convenience is key with the Ninja BN301. The 3 included 20 ounces. To-go cups allow you to blend directly in the cup, twist on a spout lid, and take your drink with you. Ideal for those busy mornings when you need to grab and go. There's also a storage lid if you'd rather make your blend in advance and store it for later. If you're new to blending or looking for fresh ideas, you'll appreciate the 20 recipes included with this blender. The Recipe Inspiration Guide offers a variety of smoothies, shakes, and extractions to help you get started. It's a great way to explore different flavors and find your favorites. Cleanup is a breeze with parts that are dishwasher safe. The cups, lids, and blade assembly can all go straight into the dishwasher, saving you time and effort. No need to worry about scrubbing or complicated cleaning processes. Just toss them in and you're done. You'll appreciate how the Ninja BN301 blends smoothly with a powerful 900 peak watt motor. This intense power can handle anything from frozen fruits to tough vegetables, offering you versatility whether you're blending smoothies, soups, or sauces. Plus, the Pro Extractor blades assembly is designed to break down whole ingredients efficiently. Convenience is another highlight. You can blend directly into one of the 3 included 20-ounce Ninja to-go cups, twist on a spout lid, and you're ready to go. The cups, lids, and blade assembly are all dishwasher safe, making cleanup straightforward and hassle-free. Durability stands out as well. This compact personal blender is solidly built, ensuring that it can handle regular daily use. The sleek silver finish also adds a modern touch to your kitchen. Noise levels could be irksome. The powerful motor that does such a great job at blending can also be quite loud, which might not be ideal if you're sensitive to noise or have a household with different schedules. Obviously, this goes for any blender though. Lastly, the smaller capacity isn't right for everyone. If you want to make larger smoothie batches, then you'll need to look elsewhere. As I noted in my Ninja Nutri Plus blender review, you're on the hunt for a compact blender that packs a punch. The Ninja BN301 might be right up your alley. Its 900 peak watt motor is built to crush ice and blend fruits and veggies smoothly, making it perfect for your daily smoothies. You'll find the Pro Extractor blade assembly particularly effective at breaking down ingredients to create nutrient-rich blends. The 20-ounce to-go cups are a convenient feature, letting you blend directly in them and enjoy your creations on the go. They're dishwasher safe, which makes cleanup a breeze. There can be some downsides though. The size of this blender isn't suited to larger batches. Noise can also be an issue as well, which might come as a surprise given the compact size. If these potential quirks are a deal breaker, you might want to explore other options. Ultimately, if blending power and convenience top your list, the Ninja BN301 is worth considering.